Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the course of Digital Logic Design. Our topic today is T flip-flop. T flip-flop or toggle flip-flop is used for complementing the output. Before this one, we have covered a JK flip-flop. Let's review it again. In a JK flip-flop, we have basically two inputs J and K. The characteristic table of JK flip-flop is given here. So what if we tied together two inputs J and K? So we will have either J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0, or J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1. So for both these cases, we will have if J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0, there will be no change in the output, and if J is equal to 1, K is equal to 1, the output will be complemented. So let's implement this methodology. Here we have tied together two inputs of the JK flip-flop and given it another name is T input. Now there are only two conditions possible. If T is equal to 0, the output will not change, and if T is equal to 1, the output will be complemented. As we know that the Boolean expression for the JK flip-flop was equal to J Q dash plus K dash Q. In this case, J is equal to K dash. So D here will be equal to JQ dash plus J dash Q. So what we will get? J XOR with the output Q. So another circuit of T flip-flop can be given by implementing this equation. The graphical symbol of T flip-flop is given here, where we have one input T and another input is the clock signal. Thank you.